Before I worked here, I had no similar experience. No, I had worked a couple other jobs, but nothing even in the realm of like semiconductors or what we do now. And I mean, I learned over the 3 years. Now I know an incredible amount, and it takes a while, but you can learn everything here. I'm James Nelson, and I'm a process tech. It's moving jobs along. It's just moving things to the next step. I actually got a referral from a good friend of mine. He's my neighbor. He knew I was smart, and he thought someone with my abilities could be a benefit to a company like this. Yeah, I had no idea. The pictures I had in my mind of like what this would be was entirely wrong, right? I pictured something completely different, but I mean, it was cool to come in and see everything. The guys I work with are some of my best friends now. I enjoy, every day is kind of fun, just hanging out with them, still doing work, but it's enjoyable. I think it's really cool. It's unique. I've never really met someone who does kind of the same thing, and I just think it's cool because we get to wear the full suits and everything, so I enjoy it. There is chances to grow, whether it's just one level to the next or other opportunities in the company, like engineering company or engineering jobs, or just entirely different areas. They do allow movement, and then they'll post that stuff. There's a lot of chances. I have other opportunities I want to go to, and there are avenues I can use to get there. I don't know, give it a shot, you know? You never know if you can or can't do something until you try. I think this is very friendly to anybody who wants to do it. There's all types of people that work here. It's not really just one kind of person or the other. It's a big old mix of people.